Hello, my name is Nigel, also known as the Lake Erie Vlogger, and today I'm down here at lock number 1, as you can tell, of the Welland Canal. I just had to stop the video very quickly to let you know I was having microphone issues when I looked at this on the playback. When I was recording it, my microphone levels were on, it was saying it was recording, but apparently my external microphone was not actually really connected. I had a faulty cable, and I had to go and order another one. Anyway, the following day when I used it again, it was working fine. So for this particular video, the audio of me is not that good, so we'll try and skip through as much as we can. This is the final hurdle for a particular vessel which is coming down the lock right now, and it'll be making its way out to Lake Ontario. And this particular vessel is 50 years old this year. The Robert S. Pierson. A great looking bucket, rust bucket, whatever you want to call it. It's definitely got some wall wounds on it, and it's going to be a fantastic vessel to look at as she comes out of this lock. So I'm just going to wait for it to start maneuvering, and then we're going to get the drone up and get. Hopefully the birds in the area won't get in the way of the drone. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Water has just stopped coming over the lock. So any moment now I'm expecting the water to really start bubbling down here in the bottom section. And then the vessel, the Robert S. Pierson, will start to be lowered in the lock. And then the gates will open, and we'll watch it come out. And that's when I'm going to get the drone up. It's just probably before the gates open, and we'll watch the vessel come out. We'll get some really, really nice shots. So hopefully any moment now, this water down there should start bubbling quite profusely. So maybe something's going to happen now. I've been here 20 minutes waiting and nothing. So hopefully this will be it. It'll start making its way down the lock. Alright, the water's shut off again. So this is where I think now we're going to start seeing the water bubble up from down here as the valves are changed and the water's now. Here we go, look at this. Wow. So all this water is now coming out the lock. I can now see the vessel slowly going lower.
John D and Vigilant 1. No other inbound traffic. We'll talk to you at the piers with your EPA. Also, we do have the Joanna G headed westbound through Newcastle. Do call in 1230.
Wow, look at that water now. It's really coming out. That's like looking at the rapids down at the Whirlpool area of the Niagara River. All right, the water's stopped, so any second now those gates should open. As you can see from the drone up above, we're pretty much level. So just gotta wait for those doors. A bit further forward on the drone. Gotta watch those birds. The birds are everywhere, so I can't get it too low. Right now, they're out of my view. So there is a bird just below me. It's like watching paint dry, this. Come on. There we go. There's the alarm. And there we have it, the doors are opening. If you're wondering what the doors are made of, well, each door is made of steel, and the weight of each door is 50 US tons, which works out to be just over 45 metric tons. That's each door. Wow, look at that. What a shot. What a shot. Take a video, a picture of that. Alright, move you out so I don't get the birds all over us. Alright, here she comes. Look at this. So this is the Robert S. Pierson, which is making its way out of Lot 1. A magnificent vessel built in 1974. And the vessel has a length of 192.3 meters. And it has a beam of 20 meters and 73 centimeters. The vessel was originally named Wolverine. And over the past several years, she's gone through several ownership changes and name changes. And in 2007, she was sold to the Lower Lakes Towing Company here in Canada, and it was renamed the Robert Scott Pierson, the founder of the Sioux River Company. So now you know. You can see the Lower Lakes kind of like, well, you can just about read it. Lower Lakes, then the rest is missing. A lot of scuff marks on this vessel, as you can tell. A lot. Well, this really was worth the wait. Massive boom on it. Like many of the vessels we see down here, needs a bit of paint. But what's the point? It ends up just getting scuffed right off. But this one has not been painted in a long time, as you can tell. Now we get to look at the bridge. What a mighty fine looking vessel this is. Now she's on her way into Hamilton, so she hasn't really got that long to go, really. Little smoke coming out of the stack there. Now we get to look at the stern. All right, so there you have it, folks. The Robert S. Pierson on its way into Hamilton. Hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it, even though I had to wait around a little bit for this one, but it was well worth it in the end. Anyway, until the next time, the next video, stay safe. See you all very soon. Enjoy.